Scene Script. Have you ever wondered how to create a PayPal account? Well, you're in the right place. PayPal is a worldwide online payment system that works kind of like a digital wallet. It's a convenient tool for handling money transfers over the internet. Whether you're an entrepreneur managing a startup, or simply someone who enjoys shopping online, PayPal can be a game changer. Why? Because PayPal offers a level of protection that goes beyond many traditional payment methods. It's secure, fast, and user-friendly. It can make your online transactions smooth, and let's face it, in today's digital age, who doesn't appreciate a little ease and security when handling money online? So, if you've been thinking about setting up a PayPal account but didn't know where to start, today's your lucky day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a PayPal account. Let's dive right in, shall we? But before we dive in, let's discuss the prerequisites for creating a PayPal account. Now, setting up a PayPal account is a relatively straightforward process, but there are a few basic requirements that you need to meet. First and foremost, you need to be at least 18 years old. This is a standard age requirement for most financial services, as it aligns with the legal age of adulthood in many countries. Next, you'll need a valid email address. This is crucial as it will be your primary mode of communication with PayPal. Any updates or notifications regarding your account will be sent to this email address, so ensure that it's one you use regularly. Lastly, you'll need a credit or debit card. This card will be linked to your PayPal account and will be used for transactions, whether you're sending money, receiving money, or making purchases online. Once you've ensured you meet these prerequisites, you can proceed to create your PayPal account. The first step in setting up your PayPal account is navigating to the PayPal website. Now, this is as easy as pie. You don't need to be a tech genius or internet whiz to do this. Just open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Click on the address bar at the top and type in www.paypal.com. Once you've typed that in, hit the enter key and voila! You're now on the PayPal website. The site is user-friendly and straightforward. Look for the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. It's a clear blue button that's hard to miss. Give it a good click and you're one step closer to creating your very own PayPal account. After clicking on sign up, you'll be directed to the account creation page. This is where the magic happens, where your financial management takes a leap into the world of convenience and security. Let's dive in, shall we? Next, you'll need to choose the type of account you want to create. Now, there are two main types of PayPal accounts: a personal account and a business account. A personal account is perfect for online shopping, sending money to friends and family, or even receiving payments for the occasional sale. It's designed around the needs of the individual and is a great choice for most users. On the other hand, a business account is geared towards merchants or those who are running a business. It provides features like allowing multiple users to access the account, offering customer service email support, and accepting payments from customers directly on your website. The choice between these two types of accounts is completely up to you and depends on your needs. Take a moment to think about what you'll be using your PayPal account for, and select the account type that best aligns with your requirements. Once you've decided on the account type, click Next to proceed. The following step involves filling in your personal information. As we delve into this part, it's crucial to remember that the information you provide here is the bedrock of your PayPal account. It's the information that will be used to identify you, to protect you, and to ensure seamless transactions. So accuracy isn't just important, it's essential. First off, you'll be asked to key in your name. This should be your legal name, the same one on your government-issued identification and your bank account. No nicknames, no pseudonyms, just your good old plain Jane or John Doe name. Next, you'll need to provide your address. This isn't just for correspondence purposes, but for security reasons as well. PayPal employs address verification systems to help protect against identity theft, so make sure the address you input is current and correct. Then, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. This will serve as another layer of security for your account. PayPal may use it to send you verification codes or to contact you in case of any suspicious activity on your account. So it's not just about having any old number, it's about having a number you can readily access. Lastly, you'll need to type in your email address. This is where PayPal will send you receipts, notifications, and updates. It's also your primary means of logging into your account, so it should be an email address that you use regularly and can access easily. The process of filling in your personal information may seem tedious and perhaps a bit invasive, but remember, all these details are not just to create an account for you, but to create a secure, reliable, and personalized experience. This is PayPal's way of ensuring that your money is safe, that your transactions are smooth, and that you are you. So, take your time. Double-check each entry. Make sure that every detail is accurate, up-to-date, and honest. Because in this digital world, your personal information is your first line of defense. After filling in your personal information, click Next to continue. The final step in creating your PayPal account is linking a card or bank account. So how do we go about this? Well, it's quite simple. Once you've logged into your new PayPal account, head over to the Wallet tab. This is the hub where all your financial sources are stored and managed. Now you have two options. You can either link a card or a bank account. Let's start with linking a card. Click on Link a Card, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details. This includes the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV number. Don't worry, this information is secure, and PayPal uses top-notch encryption to ensure your details are safe. After you've entered this information, click on Link Card. Linking a bank account is just as straightforward. Click on Link a Bank Account, and you'll be asked to enter your bank details. This includes your bank name, account number, and sort code. Again, this information is completely secure. Once you've entered these details, click on Link Bank Account. But why is this step important? Well, linking a card or bank account to your PayPal account is crucial for making and receiving payments. Without a linked card or bank account, you won't be able to send money or make purchases, and you won't be able to withdraw any funds you receive. In other words, without this step, your PayPal account is like a car without gas. It looks good, but it's not going anywhere. Remember, you can link more than one card or bank account to your PayPal account. And you can always remove or update these details if your card expires or you change your bank account. It's all about giving you flexibility and control over your finances. So, take a moment to link your card or bank account. It's a small step, but it's a significant one. It's the key that unlocks the full potential of your PayPal account. Once you've linked your card or bank account, click Agree and Create Account. And just like that, you're ready to start exploring the world of online transactions with PayPal. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PayPal account. A journey that began with a simple desire to have a secure, convenient way to conduct financial transactions online has now become a reality. Let's quickly run through the steps we've taken together in this process. Remember, each step was crucial to get us to this point, so it's worth recapping for clarity and to ensure we've left no stone unturned. First, we started at the very beginning by visiting the PayPal website. A simple step, yet the gateway to our pursuit. This is where our journey began, with a leap into the world of online transactions. Next, we had to choose our account type. Personal or business, each type has its unique features and benefits, tailored to meet different needs. We made our selection based on our requirements and moved forward, one step closer to our goal. Then came a crucial step, filling in personal information. Here, we carefully entered our details, ensuring accuracy and completeness. This is the foundation of our PayPal account, and we made sure it was solid. The final step was to link a card or bank account. This was perhaps the most significant step, as it's the link to our financial resources. We linked our preferred card or bank account, providing the fuel that will power our PayPal account. Every step of the way, we've been careful, meticulous, and focused, ensuring that each detail was attended to with precision. This process may have seemed complex at first, but as we navigated through each step together, it unfolded with simplicity and ease. And now, you stand on the other side, armed with a new tool that can open up a world of opportunities. A tool that can simplify your online transactions, make them more secure, and give you the freedom to operate globally. Now you're ready to start making secure transactions with your new PayPal account. Thanks for watching.